guys, so as you can tell, the cars behind us are my friend YYZ Curator, Jason's cars. You've seen him in the videos before, you've seen these cars in the videos before. So right before COVID hit, he was supposed to do European delivery on his blue GT4, which I'm pretty sure you've seen in the videos. But because of COVID, he could not make it out to Europe. Finally, 3 years later, there's an opportunity to do a different car European delivery. So he's already there. Right now, we're gonna go fly over there and meet him. And then on Tuesday, we're gonna go pick up this new car. I'll see you there. And just like that, we're in Frankfurt now. And we originally had a 340i booked as a rental. We got here, there's an M4 convertible outside. So we decided, let's upgrade a little bit. We're gonna be on the Autobahn. So we got an M5 for the next 10 days. But now we gotta go drive up 4 hours, and tomorrow we're picking up a very, very special car. That guy looks familiar.
German.
Oh, is that YYZ Curator?
No, that's YYZ Curator.
Curator?
Yo.
So we're on the Autobahn in the unrestricted section right now. Like, it feels like we're just cruising with traffic going 180. This is crazy. I really wonder if this car is limited. We are gonna find out if it is limited.
Yeah, it is.
180, just cruising is like highway speeds.
It doesn't go past 180. Yaris.
Yo, Yaris GR.
Now it's 120.
Arrived in Berlin, and is that a touring? Yeah, GT3 touring PTS, but then...
Yeah, everybody's saying cars body stuff in Berlin.
Yeah, so get ready.
Where's the other car?
Speciale right there.
Right there.
Ooh, launch spec Speciale.
Okay,
So we were attempting to walk around, and as soon as we were about to pay for parking, this crazy storm just started, and definitely not gonna happen. So we're just in the city in Berlin, very far away from Toronto. I saw this on the sidewalk, didn't think anything of it at first, but I remembered, wait, we're in Berlin. It's a Tim Hortons gift card in Berlin. Interesting. So on the Autobahn, random Huracan Technica. Very cool. We thought it was an Aventador from far, but caught up to it. Looks really good like this. Okay, so it's day 2, it's delivery day. We have the M5 behind us. We have also a taxi taking us to the Porsche Factory, I guess. We're gonna pick up the car there. Then I think we have some test track time. See the car. This is gonna be a super exciting day. This is what we came here for. So yeah, let's get this whole thing started. We have arrived at the Porsche Experience Center. This building looks freaking crazy. Jason, are you excited?
Yeah, let's see. We got 1 minute until it's 4.
So we are walking in. We've got some Taycans, GT3s. This is gonna be awesome. Macan, yeah, Macan.
Look at that color.
It's a Zach Brel color. PTS Zach Brel.
New color.
Yeah. So before we pick up the car, they bring us here to a lunch, then I think a factory tour, then we go on the track, and then only do we pick up the car. So clear view of the track from the restaurant. Jason pointed out a new 3RS right there, and there's another yellow one right there. Got all the cars lined up on the track. Very cool. Yeah, so between courses, we're gonna go upstairs and look at some cool cars. So, you know, usually you save best for last, but as soon as we turn, best is right here. GT1 race car, 996, super cool. I think this might be the first one I've ever seen in my life. Any variation of the GT1, this thing is so cool. So, me personally, I don't know too much about these kind of race cars. I know obviously GT1 because it's an iconic car. Yeah, I guess it says RS Spider. I think this is an RSR or GT3R. 919, which I believe is a Le Mans car. Red 356 Speedster. Here we have a very nice green on 10, 911. And this nice like off-white yellowish one. Very, very cool spec. But man, this bluish green with the matching interior looks incredible. 964 turbo. Look at this color interior. This is a great spec. Now, even though this is just a 993 Carrera, I don't know, something about the silver and how clean it is, obviously because it's a museum car. Looks incredible. Looks brand new. Now, I was gonna skip from the 992 to the Carrera GT, but there's a Cayenne in the middle, and you know, usually why would I look at the Cayenne? And you know, I was thinking Let me check one thing real quick. I looked inside. It is a manual Cayenne in the museum. They know what they're doing. This is so cool. Carrera GT. This is not a prototype production car, but so clean. Next has another Carrera GT, but this one is pretty much just a carbon tub chassis. No body panels, so you can see everything exposed. The interior, the shifter, everything, the engine, everything is carbon fiber on this car. Amazing, but obviously you can compare the two right here. Again, I don't know too much about the race cars, but this is a 908. Very cool. And next I believe is a 917. Crazy display here upstairs. And here we have a 962 Dower Le Mans car. I think a few videos ago we actually saw kind of the road legal version of this, which is like a one of. Very cool, but man, highlight for me, the GT1 right there. So we just finished a factory tour of where they're making Macans and Panameras. Unfortunately, they didn't let us take our phones in, so I couldn't film, but now we're going to go on the track. I don't know yet if I'm going to drive or not. I'll definitely be passenger at least. I think we're going to take out a GT4 RS right now, one of their cars. And yeah, it's going to be super fun. Let's go try it. So Jason is getting ready. He's going to drive this GT4 RS on the track, which is kind of a matching spec to his regular GT4. So yeah, the Gentian Blue GT4 RS, what Jason will be driving for now. Potentially, maybe we'll drive that after. It's a bunch of cars here, so our instructor went to go choose another car to be the lead car in which I'm going to ride in for now. But look at how many cars they have. Just, oh my god, yo, 935. Huh, 935. That's like a track GT2 RS. Well, I guess this is my ride for the first time on the track. Pretty cool.
Do me a favor, you first flash me and then you can use the bags. Okay. But probably we won't use it.
That's a sickness bag over there.
Yes, it is.
Give it to your dad.
Very cool. Now we will go in the 3RS, which I didn't expect to ride in the 3RS today, so pretty good surprise.
Side of the track you see some blue cones. These are references for us. So the blue cone before the corner is the steering point, and the blue cone inside the corner is the apex. So always look far into the corner to see where these blue cones are and where the ideal line is. So we start far from the outside, try to use the whole track, and then go close to the inside, slightly cut the inside curb.
But there's a Porsche 935 right here. I think they made like crazy, like 50 of them or something. So I'm very low, I forgot the exact number. Crazy, there's one here. Now Jason's gonna go ride passenger in the new 3RS, and then Christy's driving the 4RS.
Before the corner we break up, and then late apex. From the apex on we start to open up the steering and can start to push.
that was crazy when I'm GT3 RS, rode in it, crazy grip on that car. Then I got to drive the GT4 RS on the track, which pretty much put me in a point where I think I have now as much track time in a 4S than I do in my own GT4. But yeah, now it's delivery time, it's new car time. Let's go see what it is.
Oh, look at how big that wing is. You ready? In 3, 2, 1.
And now we're going back out. They moved the car out front, and then we're gonna head out of here. And it's finally outside. Looks amazing. Can't wait to see it driving. Very cool outside. This place looks so cool. Look at this, like the shape of this building, the car. So cool. Jason, what do you think? As good as you thought? As good as you thought it's gonna look?
Yeah.
So picture time for Jason before we leave, but man, like perfect setting right here. Such a good day. Off to a great start for a European trip, so don't go anywhere because we have another like 8 days here, so it's gonna be a pretty good time.
So at Leipzig, and first mod, clear side markers.
Well, let's see Jason do some work. Typical.
Put your stuff
something, and Jason is in front of us, ripping through traffic. Let's go. Let's see how fast Jason's gonna drive his car immediately after picking it up. We topped out at 258 at 260 because of a limiter. Let's see if he pulls away. Are we topped out? Okay, we're topped out. He's not pulling away. So first stop in the GT4 RS is McDonald's, but that's it for today. We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. We're going to do a ton of stuff for the next 10 days or so. Crazy car stuff, so follow along. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe.